What's up, guys? Today we're gonna make finally the video that I've been waiting to make for a while. We have Braum seats I bought a while ago. Unfortunately, they took a little longer than I could wait for to get installed like very quickly because of COVID. This is how my seats look like now. So you see there's a rib on the side on this one. That one is good. You know, some stains. I think it's all cleanable and everything. I'm gonna put those downstairs so when we play video game we can sit on those seats. And for now I am going to get those ones in here. I need that space, to be very honest, to get the 2JZ I have. I'm gonna put on that space. So with no further ado, let's start. Just so you see, they come like this, well protected, and you can see the bottom. That's actually very, very good. And let's take out of this first. Nice. Wow. Look at that. They're very comfortable. Wow. I'm excited to drive on this. So this is not actually carbon fiber, but it's a fabric, carbon fiber fabric, like imitation. There's a Braum on the back. I didn't choose the model that had a thing in the middle and it was slick. It's like a straight. I like this. So yep. And of course you can adjust here to go back and forth. Yep, you see the back and you see the bottom. So this is where we're gonna put our rail, right here. And yeah, everything is very well finished. Look at that. So cool, let's get our Supra rail. So a couple things you need to know before you start. Do not drill anything yet. As you see, I drilled wrongly, shouldn't done that. And you got one mount that has this little lip up, so you see the 4 lips down, that goes on the floor, and this lip up. Then you get your seat. You see it has 2 sides. One side has the leveler that you put the back seat back and forth. That goes outside of the door. So this way you're gonna know which one is passenger, which one is driver. Now you put this in here with this thing here to the outside. If it aligns to the back of the seat, right? This is the front. You put your butt here and slide down. This is the back of the seat. That's where the seat belt goes. Then you have the right side. As you see, this do not line, and that's why I start drilling. And you see here, hole here, hole there, and there's not holes up. So don't start drilling yet unless you're not going to use these sliders. Okay, one more thing you need to know. The flat part goes on the seat in here. There's a hole in here, there's 3 holes here and 2 on the bottom, and that's why we don't need to drill anything, because this is aligning already the way it is. So we got the washer and the bolt that we got, put it in there, and we are going to tighten it. So we're going to tighten more later. So far I'm going to let loose a little more. So now, as you see here, so I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to lose my finger doing this. Basically, if you pull up, it moves. So it goes all the way up past the bolt, and now you see the bottom hole right there. See how it aligns? So I'm gonna put the other bolt in there. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a drop of orange Loctite, just a drop, which is stronger than the blue, but you still can take out of with your hands. So technically that's it. So I'm gonna do it again. Put up. I gotta just align here so I can tighten from here. There you go. So now I'm gonna put the other one. It's gonna be exactly the same. Okay, just one last thing before you tighten the top one. You need to put the bottom ones. So you tighten the bottom ones. Put this thing in here. There's 2 holes, and you align those 2 holes in one side. There you go. So with that done, now when you pull this, yep, you should be able to move up or down. One thing that does not come on the kit is those bolts here. I got, I don't know if it's a grade 10. Yeah, it seems like it's a grade 10.9 or something like that. So we're gonna put those guys here. I started from the bottom, so I left the rail on the bottom. So I'm gonna put one of those, and I have a wrench to hold it in place. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set it in there. Be sure the sides are correct, and then you're gonna go there and do your job. So one side down. So now I need to slide it back up so we can do those. All right, finally one down. So usually those things are pretty straightforward. This is of course a Supra Mk4, and you get your seat put back as much as you can, and you should have a little cover. I got this trim to put one side up, the other side up, and it slides out. I was far away. That's a 13 millimeter, 14 millimeter. So 1 and 2. All right. Oh. So they're out. We're gonna reuse those, and now we go forward, and same thing should happen here on the back. So we have a little carpet. I'm gonna put up here. We're gonna slide this out. Yeah, that was easier than I thought. And the other side, got it. All right. So the other side has 2 bolts, and here has only one. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get this seat back out to the back, back to the back, and then I'm gonna lift and show you what the connector looks like. But it's right here. So push out. It is out. All right. Oh, you're heavy. There was one more thing before we get there. See here, we have the seat belt right there. So we're gonna take that out. There's a little bolt in here. So got it. So I got, well, you gotta have another bolt for that. I have a extra set of bunch of bolts in there. So I'm gonna put my nut right there. That didn't come out right. And screw this guy. Seat goes like this, and then you rest on the carpet, and then you do your move. Yeah, look at that. Enough space to slide. Yeah, here we just get one of the bolts. I need 2 hands, but hey, one more tip that I just learned. The 2 front ones, easy peasy. The back ones, if you look, the one that this provides is the one that goes on the wall. It doesn't have anything on the bottom, and this side here you cannot even reach with that. So that one, if you have a wobble extension like this, wobbly, and a 14 millimeter, you're good to roll. I just did it. And here, unfortunately, you gotta be by hand. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. So now I'm gonna show what you guys want to see. First thing is, yes, it clears the Supra. You see the window? It's far enough. It is beautiful. Nothing to not like here apart from the color if you don't like it, but then I like this. Look at the clearance on the top. It's barely clearing. And here also it's almost not clearing. So yeah, this is forward enough for me so I can drive. But yeah, it goes back all the way. Seat belt, same thing. We installed the seat belt stuff. It's right there. I might need to loosen a little bit and put forward a tiny bit so I can click it easier. But yeah, quality is amazing. You just gotta adjust on how you seat in here, but yeah, look at the clearance. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see because of the sun, but it is crazy. Amazing. I love it. Love it. Look, barely. So I don't even know what time this is, but I'm gonna do the other side now. All right, guys. So this is how it looks like now. I have my gym stuff in there, and look, it looks sick. The black ones will look good too. And just so you know, the passenger side was exactly the same way. It's just, I mean, nothing even there. It's no reason to make a video and put in there. But thank you guys for watching all of this. Supra has long ways to go. Now I have a big space here for the engine, which is coming probably this week. And thank you guys for the little sticker. I bought this seat at SoCal, SOCAL accessories. Yeah, check it out. If you need to talk to someone, talk to Jason. Guy's awesome, you know. Because of COVID, it took forever to get to my house. I don't remember if it between 2 and 4 months. I just can't remember. And you know, that was amazing. Got here. Unfortunately, it was too late for me to just install. I was in the process of moving and all that stuff, so it didn't make sense. But yes, they have a very good team that deal with customer care. They offered to give my money back like multiple times, and of course I didn't want it. I was okay with the waiting. So love those guys, love the Braum seat. I hope you can see like how to install this. Install in the Supra, but it's going to be the same thing for any car. Honestly, you have a connector on the bottom, 4 bolts. This one has 5. You know, it's a take one more. And just be sure that you get bolts with the proper grade, and which are strong enough. You don't get like weak ones, or you don't need pretty bolts. You just need something that's strong. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, send kisses, tell your family, and I hope this helps. That's my main goal, and I'll see you on the next video. Later, guys. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles to go.